How to find logos in Canva. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Canva website by typing canva.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the Canva homepage, open a blank page. I have one ready, but feel free to start your own new design. Let's check out the Elements tab to see if we can find any logos. I will type WordPress into the search bar. As you can see, Canva doesn't provide a logo for WordPress. Let's try searching for Microsoft. Similarly, no logo appears for Microsoft either. But don't worry, there is a way to find logos on Canva using a trick. Head over to the Apps section on Canva. In the search bar, type Brandfetch just like this and hit enter. Click on the Brandfetch app and you'll be directed to its settings page. In the Brandfetch search bar, type in WordPress. You'll see the WordPress logo appear. Simply double-click on it and it will be added to your design page. Now, let's repeat the process for Microsoft. As expected, Brandfetch provides the Microsoft logo as well. Just double-click the image and it will seamlessly integrate into your design. And there you have it.